Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Let's get us to 30,000 subscribers. Yeah guys, I want to say happy Sunday to all my viewers. Thank you for tuning in to Fanika TV. As you guys know, last week I was in the Bahamas. Yes guys, if you want to invite me to your beautiful country, you can also message me guys if you want to invite me to your country, right? Yeah guys, so today for dinner I'm going to be cooking some stew, some home style pork, right guys? That Jamaican, you know, style pork. That's what we're gonna be cooking with some nice rice and peas, vegetables on the side. Yeah, guys, every Sunday in Jamaica we cook rice and peas. Remember, guys, you can find me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook you can find me at Erica Shackelford. Yes, guys, let's get the channel to 30,000 subscribers. Yay! Let's go, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Okay. Okay, me say me have this as kata what is still freeze. Beautiful as a rock. Beautiful as a rock. Guys. Guys, it's a bone. So bone this. I forgot to chop it up. Okay. Guys, yeah, get little rain. I get them something I wash off. Time something I have to well season your pork. I want to make it. I have to well season your pork, guys. Cause pork take season. So I'll use one yellow onion. Just I go use one single pepper, guys. Nothing too much. So these are the things I'm using to season my meat. But first, I'm gonna get the powder season, guys. Yeah, cause we have to cook with powder season, cause the powder season go straight to the bone. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to subscribe. Do not watch the video and don't subscribe, right? Watch the video. Alright, guys. So we get the powder season. Now we have all the powder season. We have some. This has some regular all-purpose jerk season. We'll put some on the pork first. So I will put some. This has some jerk. This has some. Don't season to the bone. Did in this. More season. Hey guys, and we have our soy sauce as well. Hey guys, some soy sauce, some island spice, soy sauce. We're going to put it in. And then we're going to use the beer on them, guys, and just rub. Just rub in. That's the season. Marinate inside. Right through the bone, everything. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, just put it in. Let's show you. Let's see how that season. Hey guys, that's how we're doing it today. Now I'm gonna cut up the brown season on it, so stay tuned for that. Yeah guys, today's video is gonna be epic. So we are gonna get cutting now. I cut up my yellow onion first. Let me feel something like my Hey guys, so I'm gonna take off your top of what I need and get it cut up. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get it cut up. Guys, we are getting a beautiful day today. No rain. It's adding the onions. Hey guys, I'm just gonna cut up the thyme funny. Cut up the thyme fine. Funny. Can plant this. Hey guys, so cut up our onions. Gonna get the other things cut up, guys, and added in to the pork. Yeah guys, the people always wonder why Jamaican food is so nice. It's the seasoning, guys. We take time to season our foods. That's why when you come to Jamaica, there's a specific, flavor. Everything is so delicious. It's because we season our food. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. Very hot. Pepper fat guys. Put pepper in my hand. Anyway, pepper bone in all the next day still a bone. All the next day pepper still a bone. Okay guys, so finish season this up. So I'll get to marinate for a minute. 21, little bit more. Oh, that's something. Just spray it like that because it's done already. Yeah guys, and then I go make it marinating because the peas not cooked yet. So I go get the peas ready. Yeah guys, ready. Already look like something you can eat. That's Jamaican food for you. Add in the peas in my pressure cooker. Yeah guys, so we have some red kidney peas by Kuya. We're gonna add them in. I'm gonna use about half bag. Yeah, about half bag. Yeah guys, we're adding the water in it now and cover it. Where are you? I'm just a skibbity little player. I just saw movement over there. Oh gosh, did she see me? What's all that movement back there? Oh geez, she might have seen me move at the block. I see something firework outside! Oh my goodness. I'm probably giving it to you at this point, bro. If you don't kill me, she just ran right over me. Like, come on, bro. Come on. Mia, I'm over here. Where are you? Thank goodness. Zoe, we're the goats. Yay! Oh yeah. Alright, it's time for the next speaker. Server, choose the next speaker. Oh, and it looks like it's you, Shady. You better grab your items before you go. Oh. Yeah. Oh, and he's gone. At least he got him super quick. Where are we gonna go? Wait up for me. I need to leave too. Unlimited time. What? Ooh. No! Oh, I only get one chance. I don't know how she is unlimited. She must have stolen Joe. How are you speaking to us right now? I'm just gonna let y'all know there ain't no way they gave this map to Big Papa Shady. Dude, this map is like so easy. Where did we go? That's what I'm saying. You know what? What if I just hide right behind Shady when he spawns in? I could become one of these barrels. Ooh, you know what? Maybe I will. I want to become a barrel. I'm just gonna hide right here. You will not suspect a thing. He's gonna... Y reserva compatibilidad. Descarga la app hoy. So I'm gonna add in the pork one by one, guys. I'm gonna add them in. Then we scrape off the seasoning. Nice. Nice up. Try. Like, good luck, you guys. Okay. Yeah, guys. So that is it. Everything adding. We're gonna cover up the pot. Cover up. Yeah, yeah, guys. So in order to cook this, guys, each time the water dry out, you just add water on it and make it slow cook, steam cook slowly, right? Guys, don't believe this, yeah, people wanna put this. People wanna put this, but more bone in there than flesh. Yeah, guys. So we are slow cooking with steam. Yeah, guys. You take time to change color with white oil. Baby, baby. So guys, we just cover it up back. What? Me no know. For the sides, I'm gonna just boil some spaghetti. Uh, just for the sides, guys. Sides. Sorry, I just put my hot it. Let's go broke them up. Let's say garden. It could be more. Yeah, I just feel sides this guy didn't even that's in our beautiful jasmine rice, Grace jasmine rice, guys. You know it's my favorite. That is what we are going to add in. Yeah, guys. As you can see, the water boil. Let's get the rice in. Let's get that rice. Hey guys. I think I might just use all the rice because people be complaining when the food is not enough. So yeah, adding the salt. Hey guys, it good fish for it good for mix your rice with fat, guys. Just come catching at this man. You drop off your look. Wait, me go, guys, me go. Put bag over it, guys. One bag. That's it so pickle. Yeah, kind of wet.